Yo, what's good, my people? It's your boy Nkwasi Capital, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, I go by Nkwasi Capital, and I channel my journey here on YouTube to be a successful, consistently profitable trader here on YouTube live with you guys. And yeah, man, it is what it is. I know it's been long since I dropped any videos, but yeah, man, I believe we are back with the content. So yeah, let us see what we do. Today we're here with the backtesting session. This is gonna be also a playlist. Since we have a running playlist to get funded, we're gonna get funded soon, guys, don't worry. We're gonna get our account and then we're gonna be trading soon. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna be giving you content of trading, backtesting this model, and we'll see where it takes us. Get me? But for now, let's stay locked in, let's stay trading. And yeah, let us cook oaks. For now we're about to backtest, and yeah, we're gonna see what we do currently. So I'm trying to set up my light here where it can go, but I don't know. So yeah, I think I'll just hold it like this. So yeah, let us go. Let me actually minimize this and bring it all the way down here. Okay, so let's go. And yeah, I don't know which pair we'll be backtesting out. Let's see. Let's go with USDCHF, right? Pick a date. Let's go with last year, from last year, because we have a range from last year here. We can't go any further, so I'm just gonna put it here on the very first, then save. So yeah, man, let us backtest this pair and see where we'll go. You get me? Yeah, guys, please subscribe. By the way, we're trying to get to 200 subs by the end of the year, and yeah, that'll be really helpful. So let us backtest and see what we get here. I need to change these colors, by the way. The network is kinda off, because I need to change this. Let me put this here. Got me, Lord, I've come to worship. Okay, these are my chart colors on my trading view, and they're looking really good. So let us get done with this. So I need my other time frames. Okay, so as we're backtesting, as you can see here, overall bias is bearish. Looking at this, we have nothing more here. We are bearish on this pair, and we're looking for sells overall, and currently we're at discount in this weekly range. So yeah, it is what it is. Look at the daily, we have some liquidity levels that we need to reach before we do anything. I need my magnet. We have some liquidity levels that we need to reach before we go anywhere. So let me try to fix this real quickly. Change this to black line, and yeah, this is what we have. Okay, so we're looking to come to these liquidity levels below here, and currently we're in that range, and we've just tested this I would say high time frame order block and whatever. But yeah, yes guys, it's still the 0.71. I'm just looking at liquidity perspectives here. Don't worry, this is what I do with the pre-market analysis before I do anything. So structure that we have currently, and I try to zoom in here, we are bearish, but we're not seeing exactly where we're going. I believe this was a fake out, because sellers evidently took power straight on from there. So I would say this was not a break of structure because we're still bearish overall. This was a liquidity sweep, I can say. Right, I can safely say that's a liquidity sweep because we have respected this level here, changes take delivery, or in this break and this order block as well here. So yeah guys, you gotta know those little liquidity levels and whatever, because they will help, right? Let us see how the market moves. Okay, we have our break of structure there, and we have our imbalance there. Okay, let us see. We're getting a nice return inside here, but looks like it's not gonna be really that long. We have equal highs, by the way, so I can safely say if we're looking for a sell setup here, it will be valid because those equal highs and generating liquidity right there. So yeah, we do have a setup waiting, and we're just gonna place our sell order here. Right, take profit at the low, and the simple one is the 2.5 risk to reward and TP blue. Okay, let us see what we get here. Risking 1%, of course. Let us see. Okay, setup invalidated. Seems we are going to be continuing to the downside, but I believe my range is going to be longer right now because this is equal lows, internal liquidity, so I'm not going to go against that concept. So okay, this is the plan now. Just going to stretch my range because liquidity concepts to me are really important, you get me? So let us see. We have a clean break of structure right there. It's a huge range, but we can take the trade. Right, let us see. Our entry will be there. Stop loss below all the way here. See, we're close to taking out the liquidity below here, but we couldn't, so we filled these gaps here. Let me put this order right there. Let's see. If it misses, it misses, and then it's gonna continue to the downside. So which means here we have to look for a new setup then. If it's like this, missed two setups by the way, mind you. Let's see. Okay, longest range, but we might have a setup as well here. Break of structure there. What I don't like is that we didn't take liquidity up there, so it's really tricky to take any trades. But if they're valid, they're valid because there is also imbalance there, so if the trades are valid, you can't do anything. Because you can see this imbalance here. Same thing, the imbalance is also available here. So it's good trades, but you just miss them. You get me? So yeah, also liquidity is engineering below here. We have trendline liquidity forming that we are willing to take out. So yeah, let us see again. Hopefully we get tapped in this time. Nope, we don't get tagged in. So we actually get tagged in finally, and we have equal lows here, and more reason why price needs to engineer all the way to the bottom. So I need to record this trade after it hits here, whether it hits stop loss or TP. Looks like we're gonna be hitting stop loss. Oh yeah, by the way, me, I don't go break even ox. It's not my forte. I'm trying to make it go faster, but it's so slow. Wait. Okay. Looks like we're gonna be hitting TV. But the range, I'm sure it's been a month. Okay, I was very close to TP. And I believe I'm gonna be taking a scale in here, because we did take out liquidity here, right? Then we had a break of structure and there's fat imbalance inside there. So I believe it's a good time to take a scale in as well. So yeah, I wanna see if scale-ins work well with this strategy, right? I wanna see. So we have that trade, we open another position. Let us see. Okay, invalidated trade. We missed this trade overall, but we hit TP on our trade right here. So this trade literally took us, I'm sure a month was filled here by this trade, because this is the longest trade. From here to here, that's like 48 days, bro. Like, mad things. Is it 48 days? Yeah, 48 days, bro. Mad. It's like 2 months holding a trade where, like, it could have taken maybe. Nah, there was no scale-ins though. Here, this was a beautiful scale-in though. But yeah, it was what it was. Let me see real quick. We're gonna be taking another one. I need to record this trade right now. Okay, let me record this trade right now. I'm gonna be recording this trade. I didn't take the picture of the first one though, which pisses me off. The before, but I'm just gonna jot it down. So we made 125.54. Gonna take this, go to the channel right here, and I'm just gonna go to the profile and manage backtesting. I'm gonna switch. Yeah, so this is the backtesting channel so far, and let me lock this trade. We are on USD CHF, USD C HF entry, stop loss, then take profits, copy, okay, let's see what else see how many trades I missed, bruh. 3 trades I missed, by the way. It seems like it doesn't show, so I'm just gonna say 125.54. This is the win. 125.54. This was a patient trade, even though. So I'm just gonna say, which session did it take in? Checked in around New York session. Wait, this is fine. Uploading the picture. There it is. Locking. And yeah, everything was ticked. I ticked everything with y'all. The premium discount we saw in discount in the highest time frame, but premium in the lot in the daily time frame. Higher time frame bias was followed, which was bearish. Liquidity was there, but it was taken actually because we're trend line liquidity. So I'm gonna take this. Payoffs and imbalance was there as well. So also the 0.715 was tagged in. PT zone price came back to premium and take us in and hit take profit, and that's how we charted the trade, even though it was long as hell. But yeah, the account is up more like 15%, plus 15% of the account. Just backtesting, man, which is good, because this is what we should be doing basically. Yeah, so this personally, this is a profitable strategy. As you can see, the win rate is 78%. Since I started backtesting on a 5k account. The reason why I started with 5k account is because that's the amount I'll be trading with naturally. So yeah, hopefully when I buy an account it will be bigger by that time. But yeah, for now we have this account. Let's see if we can look for the last trade with you guys, right? So we've seen that. And by the way, I trade external ranges, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, still gonna use this range, by the way. If price can retrace a little bit higher, okay, this is promising. Okay, number one, we can see that liquidity was taken here, but I don't believe I'm gonna be using this range. Even though it did break structure here, I'm gonna be using that higher range up there, right? But yeah, the reason why, let me show you why actually. Now this is now a liquidity pool range, as you can see here. Price swept before having to pounce off, and remember the overall direction is bearish, so we're still looking for bearish setup. So for if I want to take a trade, I want to take it from that range over there, because I believe there's still liquidity lying on this high right here even now. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at, and this is the setup I'm currently looking to take, and let us see where it gets us. So let me try to fix this. Okay, that is good. Imbalance, still this big one, major one over here, and yeah, then we do have those little imbalances here and there. That's why I'm saying they're not really strong, and their liquidity, we should know that at every high there's a liquidity level. So yeah, let us see what we cook here. Ooh, I'm tired, man. Okay, every high there is liquidity, right? So yeah, let's backtest this setup and see where it will go. Okay, see what I mean? That impulse made me look to take this setup. I'm gonna be taking this one as well. Stop loss, take profit. We're taking this setup right here. Download the image for the before and after. Hopefully we're gonna get tagged in. Let's see. Okay, we get tagged in there. As you can see, if you can see here, if we're in the using this range, we would have been stopped out. That's why I love external ranges. Props to official real trades, by the way, because it's the one who like us in on this one. Because internal ranges tend to kill the setups, not gonna lie, to be honest. So yeah, let us see on this setup. We're tagged in New York session again, crazy. So let's see. And this high was taken out as well, which is good. So yeah, whether we hit SL or stop loss, whether we hit SL or TP here, we followed our rules, and yeah, we're still moving the way we move. So we hit SL on this one, and price literally, I think it was also because of these equal highs right here. So yeah, I understand why we hit SL there, and it might go the way down to take profits right now after taking us out. So yeah, it's the kind of things that you learn, that liquidity is also really important, right? Oh yeah, wait, I need to channel that down. So we lost on this one, and I'm looking to take another one right now. Let me save this real quickly and start. Yeah, we have a quick structure there. Okay, so let me channel this trade right here real quick. So we have USD CHF again. Props to Kruger Trades for this channel, guys. If you want this channel, I'm gonna hit you up and he might plug you in on this channel. It's really clean, as you can see. So we're looking at USD CHF again. CHF right there. Entry, loss. Still for so I know it's focused. Stop loss here. Okay. Take profit. Copy. Paste. The loss was $50, and yeah, the before and after. Before, then this was the after. But to take the last trade, then we go. We end the video because I don't want to stretch it. You get me? So everything was still followed here. So I still take. Liquidity was taken, but I guess it was not engineered enough, and everything aligned very well because price came to our premium levels after that. So yeah, let us lock this trade and let us take our final setup, and yeah, let us see. It was an A+ setup, by the way. Everything ticked the boxes, everything moved well, and yeah, that's fine. So now we have this setup, right? This one, it's more advanced because it took the liquidity right here and it tapped into a liquidity block, down line all the way up top here. So this trade would have definitely hit SL. So looking from it right now, I understand why we hit SL. And now what I'm looking to see is price coming back a little bit deeper here before I'm saying I'll take the next trade, right? y'all can see there. Let us see. Okay, wait. Okay, price went a bit higher, and we're gonna be taking this trade from the highest high. Let me try to use the magnet to connect there. From the highest high to the lowest low right here, right? From there, gonna be taking our trade right there. Simplicity is key, guys, remember. Gonna be taking this one. Let's see how it works out. A plus setup, another way, by the way. Liquidity taken, break was an imbalance, break of structure is there as well. High time frame bias is bearish, so I can see, and everything's aligning. So yeah, and our PDRA were in premium, going all the way to discount to come take out the liquidity that was lying all the way here and tap on this liquidity block that's lying below here. So yeah, this is some sauce, man. Hey, this is some real sauce. To those who trade the 0.71, this is real sauce. So yeah, let us see how this trade goes. Okay, we tapped in and we tapped out. So it seems like the market was now against us. We hit another loss, but it is what it is. We followed rules, and yeah, basically this was a good trade as well, I can't lie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna channel again, log this trade as a loss again, minus 50, very confident. Then we're gonna put all the details real quickly before we end the video. Paste. Okay, only thing left. So last two trades were losers, which is good, so we understand. But yeah, overall, respected, we're in premium, we're getting to premium. Here time frame 10 was followed, liquidity was swept, break of structure and imbalance was the 0.715 level was the, and PT zone, we came into our premium area, and price went all the way to stop loss, even though the trade was an A plus setup to me, in my perspective, right? So yeah, I believe we're in a losing streak of 3 trades now. We have to recover and push all the way. So yeah, man, it is good. Still up 12% on the account, planning to take it all the way to double it. So yeah, it's gonna be a journey, but as I can see here, this is how it's looking since I've been backtesting. I backtest on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yesterday I didn't backtest. I'm gonna backtest tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna have another session again. So yeah, but for now, let's get it and let us hit the road. Yeah, Ox, please subscribe. Really need y'all to subscribe, man. And yeah, let's carry this platform all the way. As you can see, I'm trying to be transparent as possible. I'm trying to be the best trader out of the world, and yeah, man, I'm trying to be the best out here. Not really the best, the one who's transparent as well, because I feel like as in our trading space, there's not a lot of people who are transparent, so we're trying to be like that. You get me? So give us a shot, like, subscribe, and yeah, follow for more content, man. But for now, this is, oh yeah, before I go, let me show y'all the previous trades we took. So as you can see, I take A plus setups regardless of any situation, right? Let me try to move my boy right here. I take A plus setups all the time, right? So if we look at this, let me start from the beginning. We first took this Euro USD trade, and this is what it's looking like. It was a short, right? And it was 1.254 RR, right? And we hit take profit right there and there. So this is the before. As you can see, no, this was actually a buy, not a short, right? This is the before, and I don't know why it's jamming today. Maybe it's having an update. And this is, no, it was actually, yeah, this was the trade actually. It hit take profit. There was a balance. So liquidity swept. Overall bias was bearish as well. As you can see, I trade external ranges. Break of structure was there as well. Clean. It hit take profit. I didn't find the second picture. That was the problem. So yeah, that was the kinga that we had. And we had another one. This was a loss. I just want to show you the wins. Actually, let me show you the losses as well, right? As you can see here, this one was also, I would say, a plus setup as well, if I remember very well. Okay, this is how it was looking. As you can see here, this was the previous trade, and we hit take profit day and day. So now we have this break of structure, external range break of structure, imbalance. We have these highs right here, and we're expecting a sell-off, right? Again. So now when we look at this, after we hit stop loss, after going so deep in profits, by the way, almost taking us out, then price decided to reverse. So yeah, this is what we had there. Then where are we? We are now on the wins. We're now here. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but yeah, as you can see what we have here as well. So we have this trade right here. As you can see, this was the entry. This was the entry right there. And yeah, if I can go to, wait. So if I can go to the, what do you call this? The after we hit take profit, then they on that bullish run. Beautiful trade, by the way. It was not really a trade whereby it stuck. It hit take profit within, like, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's 1 day. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's 2 days. 2 days and 4 hours, imagine. So yeah, it was a good trade as well. And yeah, it was really great, can't lie. Another great trade is this one. No, this was the one we took right now, USD JPY. This was a beautiful trade. I can recall this last week. As I can see here, it's always the same result. Did I put the after? It was a buy setup when we hit take profit, and I forgot to put the after. So it's not this one. Let me try to look for it. No. Anyways, then we had this trade right here. We just hit everything tagged, which just hit take profit there and there. So I can see beautiful trade overall. And yeah, that's how we move, man. That's how we move. Wait, I'm feeling like something's off here, cause we took 2 losses just now. I don't understand what's going on here. Why is it saying longs? I should have said shorts. My bad. Oh, this one was a loss here, can't recall. No, but anyways, I should have said longs and shorts on them, but it's fine. I will fix that. But for now, yeah, guys, as I was saying, please subscribe. Trying to get to 200 subs, you get me? And yeah, it will mean a lot actually. So yeah, let's get it, guys. See you on more videos. This is Nkosi Capital. Yes, sir.